So let's talk a little bit about your fitness motivations, what motivated you guys to keep going? Because how long was that, like 10 months?
About almost 10
About
months,
almost
yeah.
10 months.
You know what was difficult was starting it.
Oh, yes.
You know, we're not teenagers anymore. So hindi na kami teenagers. No, we're a little older than teenagers. So, when the challenge came in, sabi namin, kaya ba natin to? And then if you keep on watching IG, if you keep on watching informations, the older you get, the more fit you have to be.
Yes.
Correct?
That's true.
Yes.
That's absolutely
true. Doing the proper exercises, keeping an active lifestyle is very important to longevity. Kasi yun naman yung gusto namin ni Aga eh. Di ba? Gusto namin makita pa namin yung gusto ko makita natin.
That's right. Yeah, that's what they say, right? Like, will you, like, I saw a quote online that said, you will die for the people that you love, right? But will you live for them?
Oh, you have to.
Right? Will you live for them?
Siguro sa lahat ng mga related ng mga overweight or struggling sa mga ganyan, it was difficult. All these years, I've always been hiding. I would have been more busier if not for my weight. I hit 260, which on that weight is 170. So now I'm down to 200. So I have 30 more to go. Sinabi namin na sinakasal sa mga gawa sa akin ko straight na sa ganun sabi nito, kung labas natin din nakuhulog tayo. Diba? Pero sabi namin, let's see that for next year.
Gumuguhit pa lang ulit eh. Hindi sa lang work kaya pag lumabas na pasay ko yung pababa pa lang eh.
Kumukukin na eh.
Oo.
Diba? Saka iba rin kung sa susunod naman natin. Pagkain kayo. Pero nakakatawa talaga, you guys, sa lahat mga tao na sa labas dito, sa loob, there's no deadline. Just gotta do it really. And learn about it and then mahirap magtakot sa buhay dahil sa ito natin. Insecurities, parang pa rin itong mahilig ng cash game sa atin. Well, we deserve it. Pinabayaan natin ang katawan natin. I'm just happy that we're here now. We're halfway there. Sabi nga goals, di ba? We're getting there. We're getting there.
So more than anything, Aga, we've always been active.
Yes.
No?
I was just about to ask, actually.
I was very much into cycling, to bikes a lot. I play a lot of badminton. I still do my fencing game. Except that this was really a challenge to lose more weight. Kasi I reached the point na yun yung mga 36 ko lang pagtagal, pinamili ko na eh. Because lumaki na ako eh. Naging 38, sabi ko 38, bigat na lang ito. And then reach a point na tumitigil na ako 39, 40,